Hello? Baby? How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I am also wonderful.
I'm waiting for you to send me the location.
He shot you! Huh? Location? Boat? I thought you were going to pick a trotro or just a motorcycle.
Wait, are you okay? Are you insane? No, do you know who you are talking to? Like, are you okay? How do you expect me to pick trotro or motorcycle?
I said I'm sorry.
No, don't tell me you are sorry. Like, I don't even get you.
Please, book. Order. Biko.
Do you know who I am? Like, are you okay? Me that I'm trying to manage you, you're trying to fuck up. Like, are you okay? Are you alright?
I said I'm sorry. Please, book. Order.
Oh my god.
Baby, I love you.
Whatever.
You didn't reply. I said I love you.
Bye. Like, is he okay? He's not right. Let me just forget about him.
How do we hear of this?
Hello?
I'm here.
Here, where?
I'm here.
You mean you came?
What do you mean? I said I'm here.
Wonderful. So you came with a Uber?
I came with a taxi. So come out and come and pay the taxi driver.
I should come out and come and pay the taxi driver. Is your money in my account?
Wait, you think I'm some of those cheap girls or what? Please come out and pay the driver, okay? What kind of question is that?
Say now you will talk say. Me no. What is it? That I know be your class. Where you they manage me, madam manager. Since you know how to manage and pay off the taxi driver.
I don't even have cash on me, not even 1 CD. I don't have any money on me. So it's better you come out and pay the driver.
I should come out and pay the driver. I beg, I no get that money. I no dey host. Carry the driver, take him home and sort him out. Period.
See, I don't even have 1 CD.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
I'm not going to give him my money. Oh, he's on the phone.
Listen me, I'm a flesh guy. You will put bills for my top. Make me happy. As I day here, so I chew biscuit. with water. If I get money, it just that you I will take. Huh? We no, boy. Jeje.